Welcome back to the online class, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss with the other endocrine glands we are going to study about pineal gland and thyroid gland. Okay. So first let us discuss about pineal gland. So the pineal gland has been located on the roof of third ventricle. Okay. So this third ventricle is found in the brain. Okay. So the location of pineal gland, if we consider, so it has been located in the roof of third ventricle of the brain. Okay, third ventricle of the brain. So as an endocrine gland, it produces a hormone called as melatonin. So the hormone secreted by pineal gland is melatonin. So this hormone and pineal gland, so they regulate 24-hour rhythm of the body. Okay. So what is the function? So the major function is they regulate the 24-hour rhythm cycle of the body. So even it is also called as a sleep-wake cycle or day-night cycle. Okay. So it controls the 24-hour rhythm cycle of the body, or it is also called as what? Sleep-wake cycle. Okay. As it is controlling the sleep-wake cycle of the body, so it is also called as third eye. Okay. So it is commonly called as third eye. Okay. As it is controlling sleep-wake cycles of the body. And so if you see the specific functions of the pineal gland, so the pineal gland, by secreting melatonin, so it induces natural sleep. Okay. So the first function is, if you see the function, so under that, first one is, it induces a natural sleep. Okay. It induces natural sleep. The next, so these melatonin, so they will inhibit the hormones which are inducing reproductive activity. That means, so they will be inhibiting the hormones which are inhibiting or causing the reproductive activity. Okay. The function is, it inhibits the hormone which induces reproductive activity. Okay. Then other functions, if you consider, so it is regulating the menstrual cycle in case of female. Okay. The third function is, it regulates menstrual cycle. Not only that, even it plays an important role in maintaining the immunity. Okay. So even it provides what? Immunity to the body. So along with that, even it will maintain basal metabolic rate. Okay. So other functions like it maintains what? Basal metabolic rate. Basal metabolic rate. So these are the few functions of the hormone melatonin and the pineal gland. Okay. So next endocrine gland we are going to discuss is, that is thyroid gland. Okay. So the next one is thyroid gland. Thyroid is a bilobed gland. Okay. So thyroid is a bilobed gland. It means it is made up of two lobes. Okay. Thyroid is a bilobed gland. It means it is made up of two lobes here. So this is the one lobe. This is the another lobe. So if you see the location of this thyroid gland, so they are found on either side of the trachea. So this is the windpipe, trachea. So on either side of the trachea, you can find the thyroid glands. So in the diagram I mentioned, so this is the trachea. So on either side of the trachea, you can find the thyroid glands. And these thyroid glands are connected by a connective tissue. It is called as isthmus. Okay. So the thyroid gland is made up of two lobes. Hence the name, it is a bilobed gland. If you see the location where it is located, so it is located on either side of the trachea and just below the voice box. Okay, on either side of the trachea, just below the voice box, it has been located. Okay, and it has been connected by, so a connective tissue called as what? Isthmus. Isthmus connects the two lobes of the thyroid gland. Next, so Here you can see there is a thyroid gland. So one thyroid gland is another thyroid gland. So inside each thyroid gland, there is a microsacs. Okay. So like this. So the microsacs are found inside each thyroid gland. So that thyroid microsacs are called. So it is called as follicles. Okay. So they are called as what? Follicles. So in the next diagram, I will tell the TS of thyroid gland how it will appear. So as I told that. So inside the thyroid gland, we will find the microsacs. So they are called as follicles. Okay. So these are the circular structures are nothing but what? Follicles. This is the follicle. And in between the follicle, we'll find stroma. Okay. So the thyroid gland is made up of a microsacs called as follicle. In between the follicles is a stroma. We can find it. So next, if you see the follicle, so this is circular structure. If you observe it clearly, so this is made up of cuboidal epithelium. Okay, the follicle is made up of cuboidal epithelium. So this cuboidal epithelium is called as follicular cells. Okay, the cuboidal cells found inside the follicle is called as follicular cells. What we call it as? We call it as follicular cells. Okay. The next is, so these follicular cells, okay, so they secrete the hormone called T3 and T4. Okay. So follicular cells secretes two types of hormones. That is T3 and T4. T3 and T4 are the hormones produced. What does a T4 stands for? So that means, so which contains 4 iodine elements. Okay. So tetraiodothyronine. Okay. T4 full form is, it is tetraiodothyronine. Okay. The next one is T3 means triiodothyronine. Triiodothyronine. Okay. And so T4 is also called as thyroxine. T4 is also called as what? Thyroxine. T4 and T3 together, we call it as thyroid hormones. Okay. T4 and T3 together, we call it as what? Thyroid hormones. Okay. Is it clear? And the next. So inside the follicle, we found follicular cells. They were separating T4 and T3. And in the stroma, we will find a small cells are in between the follicles. We will find the cells called as parafollicular cells. Okay. So in between the follicle, the cells found are called as what? Parafollicular cells. So these parafollicular cells produces a hormone called as calcitonin. So the parafollicular cells produces a hormone called as what? Calcitonin. Okay. So this is regarding the thyroid gland. Let us see the function of thyroid gland. So under diseases, that is hypo and hypersecretion causing the diseases. Okay. So now next we are going to discuss is functions of thyroid gland. So thyroid gland is very important for metabolism, growth of the individuals. Okay, let us see that. So if you see the functions of thyroid gland. Okay, so the first function is, so the thyroid gland is required for increasing the basal metabolic rate. Okay, the first function is thyroid gland is required, thyroxine hormone is required for increasing the basal metabolic rate by increasing the cellular respiration. Okay, the first function is, so it increases basal metabolic rate by increasing cellular respiration. Okay, that is the first function, most important. The next one is, even the thyroxine hormone is required for growth. Okay, so the next function is, It is required for growth of the individual. Okay, not only growth, even the maturation of the muscles, we require the thyroxine. Okay, so maturation of muscles also takes place with the help of thyroxine hormone. Next function. So this thyroxine hormone, it is required for development of nervous system in case of infants as well as in the fetus. Okay, so the next function is development of nervous system. Development of nervous system in case of fetus and infants, the thyroxine hormone plays a very important role. Then, so even it is required for metabolism of proteins, carbohydrates and lipids. Okay, so it is required for metabolism of protein, okay, carbohydrate and lipid. We require this thyroxine hormone. The next, other function like maintaining the water and ionic balance. So where thyroxine hormone also plays an important role. Okay, so the thyroid gland also maintains water and ionic balance. Okay. The next, coming to the specifically calcitonin hormone. So this will regulate the blood calcium level. Okay. So other functions of thyroid gland is preferably calcitonin regulates the blood calcium level. Blood calcium level is regulated by calcitonin. Okay, that is regarding the functions. The next, coming to the disease, already we have discussed it. Okay, so hyposecretion. Hypo means less secretion. Hyposecretion in case of children. In case of children, it causes a disease called as cretinism. Okay, in case of children, it causes a disease called as what? Cretinism. Okay, and so the symptom of cretinism is low body temperature, mental retardness, physical retardness are the major symptoms of cretinism. Okay, next, coming to the adult. So in case of adult, less secretion of thyroxine causes another disease called as Gall's disease or myxedema. It is called as what? Gall's disease or myxedema. So here also the symptoms are same. So low body temperature, so mental retardness. So physically you can see that puffy appearance, swollen face are the symptoms of Gall's disease. And it is also called by another name. It is called as what? Myxedema. Myxedema is another name for Gall's disease. Next. So less amount of iodine in the diet, that is hyposecretion, leads to the swelling of thyroid gland, that is called as goiter. Okay, so less amount of iodine in case of diet causes swelling of thyroid gland. We call it as what? We call it as goiter disease. Okay, so we call it as what? Goiter. The next is a hypersecretion. Hypersecretion of, hyper means more secretion of the hormones of thyroid gland causes a disease called as Graves' disease. The disease is called as Graves' disease. It is also called by another name. It is called as exophthalmia. Okay, it is called as exophthalmia. Exophthalmia. Well, the name itself is means exo, outside, protruded. Ophthalmia means related to eye. So here the major symptom of Graves' disease is the person will be having a high body temperature and he will be having a protruded eyeballs. That is a symptom of Graves' disease. This is regarding thyroid gland. Let us see some of the questions related to the topic. Yeah, first question is, largest amount of iodine is found in option A adrenals, B liver, C thyroid, D testes. Okay, so it is C thyroid. Second question, calcitonin is a thyroid hormone which A. Lowers the calcium level in the blood. B. Elevates the calcium level in the blood. So C has no effect on calcium. D. Elevates potassium level in the blood. So the answer is A. Lowers the calcium level in the blood. Then next. Parafollicular cells secrete a hormone called as A. T3, B. T4, C. T3 and T4, D. Calcitonin. The answer is calcitonin. Then, next question. 24-hour rhythm of our body is regulated by thyroid gland, pineal gland, parathyroid gland, thymus gland. That is pineal gland. Next question. Hormone secreted by pineal gland is melanin, B. Melatonin, C. Oxytocin, D. Thyroxine. The answer is melatonin. Okay. Next, name the hormone which inhibit the secretion of reproductive activity in the following. Okay. A. FSH, B. LH, C. Estrogen, D. Melatonin. It is melatonin. Answer is D. So,